So in this video I'll be telling you 4 problems which you may express after updating to iOS 18. So as you all know that iOS 18 was just released few hours ago, and people they are already updating to iOS 18 without checking the problems that they might express later or a week later after updating to iOS 18. And you might find that you will have to contact Apple support and they may not help you on that situation. Let me give you one advice before you update to iOS 18. Make sure that you back up your phone so that you don't lose your stuff when you downgrade to iOS 17, because I know that if you are expressing or if you will express one of the problems that I will mention to this video name, you will need to downgrade to iOS 17. And when you downgrade, you will have to erase all your stuff. So make sure that you back up your iPhone so that you won't lose your stuff. So guys, going forward, so guys, before you update to iOS 18, make sure that you wait at least a month. So the first problem you will express after updating to iOS 18 is this. Some certain apps might not work after updating to iOS 18. Your banking app may not work after updating to iOS 18, or you might express a problem with your banking app after updating to iOS 18. And if you contact Apple support, they may not be able to help you at that moment. You might find that you will have to wait for 2 weeks, or you will have to wait for a month to get your app working. And guys, to be honest, I can't live without my banking app for a week. So number 2, after updating to iOS 18, you may express problems like so you may express shorter battery life and charging issues, which means your phone is not going to charge sometimes. And after updating to iOS 18, your battery percentage is going to drop like hell, so you will be always charging your phone. And your phone, after updating to iOS 18, is gonna take time to get fully charged. It will take longer than before. So now we are going to number 3. So sometimes you will be missing or undelivered notification, like as you can see, someone is complaining there that notification is not showing in lock screen after upgrading to iOS 18. So as you can see on this screenshot, so this is actually a screenshot which I took from Facebook. So as you can see on the comment, someone just commented and said you can roll back to backup of iOS 7.5. Bugs are expected in iOS 18. So now we are going to the last problem. This is a serious problem, guys. You are going to have performance issues with your phone. You find out that your phone was working nicely before you update to iOS 18. Then after updating to iOS 18, and then you are expressing performance issues. Your phone becomes slow to every app that you are using. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure that you don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are not left behind whenever we upload our videos.